That's a pretty lame clamp there. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's going to be the ram mount for the depth finder that's going to sit here. I'm hoping that seems to be the best place. It's going to be on an arm, so hopefully I can get it up high enough here. Should be good. It'll cover some old holes too. That's some old holes from the other mounts. There's self-tapping screws, so we'll see how that goes. Not bad. Of course, I didn't bring enough screws. That's not going anywhere. That's what everybody says. Hey, I'm trying to get this radio in here somewhere. I gotta get the microphone be able to hook up still. So it's probably gonna be something like that. Now the biggest issue I have is there going to be wires close to this? There shouldn't be, but who knows? This is really hard to get into. You know, lay down and try and drill while you're laying down. I'm going to just try and screw the thing on, hope for the best. Alright, I got the bracket screwed on. Hopefully that's in the right place. Looks to be on my lines anyways. I didn't feel anything with the screw going in, so I didn't think I hit anything. And I think 2 screws is going to be enough. Pretty sturdy. Now to try the radio, see how she looks there. Alright, she's mounted. Little difficulty, had to drill a hole twice. Somehow, I guess it slipped and didn't give me enough room, so. Anyways, got the new mic in now. You can see that's the weather.
Becoming clear this evening. Wind up to 15 kilometers per hour. Low -3. Wind chill -5 overnight. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud. Becoming sunny in the morning. Wind up to 15 kilometers per hour.
So she works. That's good.
Wind chill -9 overnight. Friday.
And if you check that out, there's my fire missile button.
Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud.
It's actually just a 12-volt plug. That's just the cover.
Low +4. Sunday, rain. High 14. Sunday night, shower.
Okay, now I just gotta find a place for the mic. I think I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna go behind the cord, so right there beside the trim tabs. Should be all right. And I got the mount right there. All right, there's the radio installed where I want it. I'll have to run the wires when I do the wires underneath, fix them up. Microphone is installed. Another job done. So I bought this lugger off of Amazon.ca. Seems to be pretty decent. I just did a number 4, and you can't pull those off by hand. Both of them turned out pretty good. And it's real simple. So to switch the lug size, you just push these in and you spin the counter. And the top one, there's a number there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're both set on 4 now. So it does quite a few of them. Pretty decent. All right, I got a couple of these fire extinguishers. They're the Fox 40 Outdoor Marine. So we're gonna see how this I'm thinking right about there. I don't know if they give you any screws. Apparently not. Apparently no screws included. So I'm gonna need a really short screw there, because the other side that's just the thickness of the fiberglass. And then there's carpet there. And that's the shortest screw I got there, self-tapping. I don't know if it'll go through or not. It might. If it does, then I'll just take it back out and cut the end off, and then it'll be already threaded anyway, so should be okay. Famous last words. No, it didn't go through. Right on. That's good. I like when it does not go through. Just going to put 2 in here. Now when I can feel it bulging on the carpet, just on the back, but it's not in the way and it's not sticking through, so should be good. Just whether these things stay in here when they're bouncing around or not. That's a pretty lame clamp there. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to put something behind there to keep it tight. That's pretty lame. Maybe I can put the instructions behind it, eh? Okay, so I laughed at my idea, but I put the instructions behind there and it's tight now. I probably won't leave it there. I'll probably glue on some rubber or something behind there, but it's good enough for now. That's 1 down. I got 1 to go. And now for the next one, I'm going to put here. I'm going to put it up as high as I can, so you're not really whacking it on the way out from the mid cabin. And I also got to put it tight to the side, because the screws are long. Oop. And on the back side, there's a piece of corner mold wood there. So hopefully it can hit that with the screw, and that should be good there. I hit the wood with that one. And we're going to need the instructions again. That's what the instructions are good for. The only thing they're good for. Yeah, in case somebody needs the instructions, they're there. Oops. There we go. Now hopefully she stays there. All the rocking and rolling. There we go. Okay, so this next little mod is just a preference or a personal choice or whatever you want to call it. So it's going to be a surprise. So I'll finish it and then I'll show you. All right, you guessed what it is yet? It has to do with the head or the washroom door. That's I don't know. I like that little sign. It's a nice little brass sign. Poop deck. Right on. And I got one more little preference that I kind of like, that sticker. That's me. Although sometimes I get lost. Still have to clean the ice box out, but clean the latch up. Get rid of as much rust as I could. And coated it. Put it back on. That works good. So we'll be doing a final clean on this thing once I've done all the upgrades and the mods. Still gonna be building some kind of box here. Pay no attention to my finger. That's what I did when I was working on the PE Suzuki. Some kind of box up here for that to go to. I need a backing for the distribution block is going to go over there. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff. And down here I'm going to take that plug, put it over here, up and down wise. And then here is going to cut that hole a little bit bigger and put 12 volt little panel there. This is the 12 volt panel that's going to go there. It's got USB and cigarette plug and voltage and on off.